Hello, and welcome to another update on PENGU. The price has reacted to the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. In yesterday's update, I shared with you this potential 1-2 setup or 1-2 pattern that was forming here from the swing low that formed on Wednesday. So we do have a, you could say a potential upside reversal pattern here that might be in the making. It was already one, this smaller degree one. I mean, we held a higher low and then broke out. But now the question is always, how much confirmation do you need, right? To really confirm a low is in, I need to see these 5 waves filled in and a higher low. We already have a break above our first trend line. Well, I can remove that now. That was what we said yesterday would be the first signal of an upside breakout. Certainly was a good signal. The next signal would be a 5-wave move up and a break above this upper trend line. The trend line is currently coming in around 3.7 cents. So again, what we're tracking here is a potential upside impulse, which started to develop around the 22nd of June. And I see it, as a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then wave 5 to the upside could still follow. That 5th wave is expected, at least as long as, nothing is guaranteed, but it's always as long as certain pivots are holding, as long as certain levels are holding, and, we don't break below them, the structure remains intact. And this is the 2.53 cent level. As I said, as long as this level is holding, the focus can be on higher prices, while it is even possible that now the low is already in. Exactly where it needed to. I mean, the 38.2 retracement level here, in this case at 2.93 cents. That is typically an ideal, you could say an ideal target, an ideal support level for a 4th wave. And now we have a reaction. That reaction is promising. But as I said, it's only a 3-wave move up. So it is a bit small. And we have not broken out above the upper trend line. So it's still not out of the woods. Structure remains fragile, but I assume the low is in. Just please note, it's just, what I'm tracking at the moment. It's a working assumption. This becomes more clear and will become confirmed, not guaranteed, but confirmed, once we get these 5 waves up. And then again, this, if we change the wave degree here a little bit, and then we move that a little bit over here, this is basically just a roadmap, but it shows you this would then be wave 1, and then there would be a wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and this is essentially what we're tracking then, this 5-wave move up. So we want to get these 5 waves in wave 1, and then the subsequent pullback could be a wave 2. What I mean is, it probably is worth watching for the next 1-2 pattern over the next few days. I'm tracking something similar on several other charts like Solana, what else? Doge, for example. Yeah, here PENGU. I'm sure there are a few others where a similar pattern could develop. And if we then start to move up, I mean, the area around 5.2, 5.3 cents appears to be the next resistance area, and then 6.2 cents. Yeah, that's the update on PENGU. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, chart updates, and on-chain data, and much more. You can find the link in our description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.